Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Ikonic Professional Curler, which is 25mm in diameter, and I'm going to be trying it out for the first time. It's absolutely new. Like, I just took out these bands, so it's that new and I've never tried it. And don't get scared with my hair, but this is what the Bombay monsoons do to my hair. It just makes it so frizzy, and there's nothing in this world that can tame it down. But I'm letting it be in their wild state because it's the lockdown. I don't have to go anywhere. And let's see what we can do with this. And let's see what transformation we can bring to it. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hey you better like this video and subscribe to the channel this very moment. I mean it. That's all. Bye.
So I washed my hair yesterday. I washed it yesterday, and yeah, this is how it came out. Like, can't do much. So I'm going to use the City Expert L'Oreal Professional. It's the Liz Unlimited. It basically helps you with frizziness, and I don't have a heat protector. But anyway, I think anything is better than nothing. So I'm just gonna quickly take like, oh, it's locked. So I'm gonna take like, came out. So 2 pumps quickly. I'm gonna like rub it in, and I'm going to like put my hair upside down, and I'm just gonna quickly go brush. Also, how bomb is my mic up? I've not made a tutorial on YouTube, but you can check it out on my Instagram. Basically, I take a little more because I have way too much hair. So I make sure I take a little more, and again, rub it, make it a little warm and fluidy. I'm going to talk about this now. So it has 3 buttons if you are able to see this. So you have like a power button which you're supposed to hold for a second or 2 to switch it on, and then you have the heat control, so you can control the heat. It goes up to 210 degrees Celsius, but I don't think I'm going to use that much heat because why damage it, yo? Also, it's got like a stopper. So let's say if you're supposed to place it on a table, then basically it acts like, you know, a stand for it. I've plugged it in, and I'm just going to see. I've pressed the power button. Oh, it's on. It shows 180. I'm gonna go till about 200. I think that is good amount of heat. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly divide my hair into smaller sections. So I'm gonna start from the lowest. So I'm just gonna divide my hair and tie the upper bit and secure it with a clutch.
I'm so beautiful.
I'm going to divide it again further into halves. Just going to comb it through. So I have like this much hair, and whatever you see over here, I had a bald patch on my head, and now my hair is finally grown back. I'm going to make, I think, 3 sections of it. I think that's a good amount. And it's heated up now quite nicely. So I'm going to quickly open it. So I'm going to count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, so clean. Okay, I'm going to take another section. Okay guys, I am impressed. I think I can take like a bigger section. It doesn't have to be so tiny, right? Let's see. And again, I'm experimenting for the first time, so please be nice to me, yeah? Social media is a very mean place to be in. We have a winner, guys. We have a winner. This is the winner. So I know exactly how much hair to take in now. I don't really feel the need to take very small section. I think I know what to do, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, whew. It took me 29 minutes with the recording. It is very hot. Like, you need to be aware because this is rubber, so this is protected, but chances are that your hand slips and it is damn hot and it hurts like a bitch. I'm gonna switch it off before I burn the house down. So I'm gonna give you a close up of how my hair looks. I have operated it at 200 degrees because to lock in those curls, heat is required. If you keep it low setting, thinking that you don't want to damage your hair, chances are your hair is going to open within like the next half an hour now. So heat is crucial. At the same time, I use styling products for my hair, but I've never seen fumes come out of the styler, and in this case it has. So I think a heat protector is a must unless and until you want to end up with like 10,000 split ends. It is very important, so let's not skip that part. Overall, I'm really happy with how nice they look. I mean, it looks like Barbie curls. I don't want to open it up right now because then it's just gonna go back to normal. This is the final look. I still feel like top part of my head is like still frizzy, so I think I still need to run a straightener or something to tame it down, but otherwise I'm really happy. I think it looks super cute. I've never had curly hair, damn you. So yeah, let me know what you think of these curls. I don't do this on a daily basis, so haters, shut up. And I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I am going to see you guys next time. Take care till then. Bye bye.